The Uttar Pradesh State Election Commission (UPSEC) on Sunday announced two-phase urban local body elections on May 4th and 11th to elect representatives for 14,864 posts across 760 local bodies in the state. As per the announcement, the elections would take place in two phases and the counting of the votes would be done on 13th May, the same day as the announcement of Karnataka Assembly election results. On Sunday, UP State Election Commissioner Manoj Kumar issued a notification to inform about the elections. The voting for the urban local body polls will be held on May 4th and 11th, he told reporters. He also informed that the model code of conduct across the state has come into force after the issuance of the election notification. The SEC said that the voting for mayors and 1,420 corporators would take place through electronic voting machines, while the polling for the rest of the posts of Nagar Palika Parishad and Nagar Panchayats would happen through ballot papers. Notably, 760 local bodies comprising 17 municipal corporations, 199 Nagar Palika Parishads and 544 Nagar Panchayats will have 17 posts of mayors, 199 posts of Nagar Palika Parishad chairman and 544 Nagar Panchayat chairman. A total of 4.32 crore voters will exercise their franchisee to elect 1,420 corporators to municipal corporations and 5,327 members to Nagar Panchayats and 7,177 members to Nagar Palika Parishads. Urban body polls were supposed to be held in the state in November, but the state government postponed them, citing the non-implementation of OBC quota. However, the Supreme Court on March 27th had paved the way for holding the urban local body polls in the state, as it allowed the State Election Commission to issue a notification in this regard in 2 days with an OBC quota in terms of a report of the Uttar Pradesh Backward Classes Commission. The elections will witness the political parties, including the ruling BJP and principal opposition Samajwadi Party, trying to strengthen themselves ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The political crucial state sends 80 MPs to the Lok Sabha.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.